Yo, so I'm back, and we are at what time is it? Almost 2 o'clock. Today has been a heck of a day. I've been trading my arse off, boy. Way over trading. I ain't got nothing else to do. But look here, I did 45 trades today. Not good, not smart. and I'm down $3. 45 trades. I've just been getting it, getting it back, getting it, getting it back, getting it, getting it back. P&L right now is at 148. The position that we're working on right now, we're in two contracts, and we have two contracts at 794, which that tells you that we were up. And I took a lunch break and was down. I've been down 130, I think. So we got a pullback going on right now, and we shall see. We can climb out of this hole that we're in on this 38 right here. 24,850 is what I got for the target for the first contract, and we'll see if it gets there. Do a power hour. Can make it there. Do a power hour. Like honestly, I'm back up again. I couldn't get out now, just being greedy, like I said. Especially being in two contracts, it's kind of pushing it. Power hour could turn and work against me, and actually the market can tank out. Because if we go back and look, let's see what we've been dealing with for the past. We're still in this same range right here. We were down here earlier, so could pull back and bust through that. But this is where we're sitting on the 15 minute, and we were up here, went down. So now you see me going back down again, -80. So 2 o'clock. See what happens for three. But overall, on the day, today is 9:30. Just range bound. Just really been just chopping. Shouldn't be trading at all, to be honest with you. This type of chop, this is a lot. Probably why I got so many ins and outs, but what I'm looking for, get out of this last two. We'll see. So we get a bounce. Looks like we are getting a bounce, turn it back around, get up to 780 or so. See what's happening here. Small bounce. It gave up. So what I'm thinking about doing is trading NQ. Like I'm trying to get my money up. It's gonna be tricky because see, this number here is 64. That would be representing a power of 10, a conversion of 10, so that would be $600. So I gotta figure out if I'm comfortable with that. I mean, of course, you want it like that would be I made 1,000 already today. And would I be able to sit and just like, okay, I'm good and stop? Or would I be doing like I'm doing now? I don't know. I'm wondering. See, I'm just letting that go back. And that's a bad habit that I have. Look at that. It's coming right back down to the bottom, back to the chop. This range right here. Back where I entered it. I entered right here. Look at that. Bust through that all the way back down. See, I was about to get out. I think I'm gonna stay. Just stay. Just gonna wait. I gotta be patient. Ride the wave, right? So right now that would be 1,000 down. but that would be 700 on the day. So what I got to work on is my mind. It's like not being greedy. Like so, if this is just one NQ and I was at 700 on the day, call that a day. Just stop. Don't trade no more. But when you like to make like 5,000 or $1,000 a day, yes, yes I would. Yes I would. See, look at this now, down 1,000, just like that. I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna trade NQ futures, big boy contracts. Lose it, I lose it. So we're pulling back. I feel like we're pulling back for power hour. Today's been a nothing burger. We got some data in, and market didn't on the jolts. It sold off a little bit, but then it ran. And of course, they're still talking about the government shutdown, and that's neither here nor there, man. People still go to work. You just won't get no data, and that'll be all right if you don't have the data. The market is just chopped sideways, maybe, but trading might be able to catch something on those trades. Maybe it'll be back to just actually working off of like the market, like maybe work off of it whether or not Nvidia did something or Nvidia didn't do something. I don't know. Something that I did today is I transferred over my Charles Schwab account to my Tasty account, and the reason for that is trying to what's that word called? Narrow down things. Getting older, I don't need to be trying to keep up with all this stuff. All these passwords, etc. So yeah, so I just minimize. So now I just have this Tasty and the other account, other brokerage account. I was gonna put it all over on Tasty, but then I'll probably be cashing it in and trade. The other one, excuse me, is for investing. Look at us dumping again. Let's look at this volume profile real quick. What's that? PLC is 811. We don't even get close to that. We're hitting like what is this? 874 is the barrel value area high. 516 is the low. Definitely don't want to go there. All right, so we back down again. Not good. Can we turn it around? We'll see. 794. See, that's the part. I was green. I should have got out, but I didn't. I shouldn't. I couldn't. I would have, but I don't. Kind of just don't care. I mean, we got some orders up here at 73, 773. Push up 76. Need to make a move up. Make another run up. We need to get back up to that 79 and then at power hour at 3 o'clock, then see where we at. Like we consolidate just so we can make a move either up or down, one of the two. Preferably up. Build right here. Build some support. Where is this? Yeah, we can build some support right here. Bounce off of that build and push up past and get into 820, 830, close out on a high. That'll be closing out the month on a high. And that's what we want. September highs, October lows. I think that's how it goes. September highs, October lows. I don't know if I had that in my notes or not. You know, do full of notes. You think I'd be a millionaire by now? The notes that I took in regards to this stuff, seasonality, etc. Like literally, I got some notes from the come up series. Play long term calls. Play 3 month puts if the price starts to drop. That's like the hedge and trade option stuff. Rules. Find your reasons. Why do I want to invest? Understand the business, longevity, or is it a trend? Expansion. Can the business expand? Increase in open interest. Bull market. A 4 year cycle. Oh, look, this is interesting. 4 year party cycle in politics. The party that wins deflation deflates the economy. 2 year before the election, we're bullish. First year, 12 to 18 months, are bearish. Trade against the crowd. Triple screen. Use trend. Use trend and oscillators. I don't do none of that. Market tide. Use weekly charts. Market wave. Weekly trends up. Buys. Use oscillators. Weekly trend down. You short. Pinpoint entry point. Trailing stop. Apparently, I don't listen to that. Got written down. I don't do none of this stuff. Sell stop. Sell short. Just below the catch. Save some losses. Okay, yeah, we definitely see this. I'm down. Like, I can do no stop losses. See that there's my 401k plan. Okay, I got all that written down. That's cute. Yeah, changed all that stuff up too. Let's see what EYL says. Book, Master the Game. Money Master the Game. I actually read that book, and I don't know if it helped or not. Let's see. So let's do this. EYL. The notes I have from EYL is keep it simple. No more than 4 positions at a time. Buy stocks and hold for 5 year minimum. 30 year max. Jeez, who's living that long? BOOQQQ at Google. Get $10,000, 10,000, 10K in shares. Where to load the boat? Use the moving average to 200. At the 200, you load the boat. 50 is the mid range. 20, don't get in. 50 is the moving average, huh? So you don't use any moving averages over here. But let's see what this is. Let's chart. We got something here. We got a 200. My 200 moving average is right here. 200 is 24,805. I'm not even there. I'm below my 200. We need to get back to the 200. Por favor. Good grief. Oh, I should be short right now. The 5 is 24,772. Yeah, we definitely need to get back to the 200. Good. What else we got on here? Option Alpha. These are some other people that I tuned into. Option Alpha, they said trade size 1 to 5% of your account. Yeah, don't do that. Sell calls at 30%, sell puts at 30%. High probability of success. Um, Spread calculations, simple shot. You got stuff on here about stop losses, walk away, $5 million. Imagine having that. So use a Zach screener. This is research. Yeah, I didn't do none of this. This is like buying stocks. There's so many strategies and so much stuff out here that you can do, man. It's just a lot. All right, we're moving back up to the 200. 24,804 is 200. We're at 24,798. Still got some room to go. Let's go back and see where we at. We should be getting green again. And we are. Look at us. Let's go. Bro, I don't want to hear no ads. Silence. Silence. All right, so we're moving again. Power hour has not started yet. Let's see. So we're at 35, 32, 21, 202. We are not breaking the 800. We're not holding above that. We need to stay above that. We bounce right here, then run up. Like I said, and we close out on a high note. The market is down right now. AQ SPY. Let's see where we're at. What is the 803? Yeah, we need a bounce. Get up. QQQ is 598. Nvidia is 186. All right, we're getting some movement now. Let's go. Let's get some traction. SPX is moving up. SPY pulling back. Tesla's at 439. Want to hear what Benjamin Graham said with the intelligent investor? He said, use your P&E to select stocks, profit and earnings. Pay for valuable companies. Don't buy at the highs, buy at the lows in the market. Use your own knowledge to choose, buy, sell, control your emotions. That's why I'm sitting in these losses because I'm trying to keep my emotions down and be used to it, you know? Keep this. Like I was down 1,500 last week, which was insane. It really was. I'm still down as far as that goes, man. I was dealing with bullshit. But let's see. That one now down 161. So we came back out of that hole. Now this one down 113. I'm not trading that one right now though. Let's see, because I'm in 2 contracts over here. So all right, so we're at 53. I think we got an order for 850. Maybe I'll take both of these. Just go ahead and get out. Or wait for my 53. 53 is up here. If I get a bounce on 803. Let's see what will 40 do. What will 30 do if I get out at 30? Get out at 20 or 30. Let's see if I get out at 30. I can close one at 30. That'll be 145. I can close at 20. 20 would be 105. 104. We'll close one at 20. Put one in for 20. Then we got the other one up above. How far up above do I end up? I think it was at 50. All right, let's let's see if we go. What is this? Vector UK. Don't buy falling stocks. 21.55.89 moving average. 21 is above the 55, which is above 89. That's a strong trend. Hey, got that. All right, so still running. And next stop will be 21. I mean, 850, I think. Yeah, 850 is the next stop. Let's go. We get that 850, we'll be good to go, bro. We're good to go anyway. Still got power hour to deal with. All right, we gave up the gas at 30. See how far back we pull. What happened? I thought I sold it. Oh, that was me. All right, let's see where we at. So, all right, pulling back. Probably setting up for power hour, which is gonna give up all these gains. Get a bounce here. Oh boy, back in 805, 807. Watch this. Should be greedy again. I'm gonna go with it. Watch this. Not yet. Go to 800. Go to 800, you tricky bitch. Go to 800. If you go to 800, I'm gonna go back in. Right here. Bye. Got one in for 800. Goes to 800. I'll be back in again with one. All right, we heading down again. Let's see. Catch this 800. That'll be a bounce. And then we go back up. Power out. I still got 40 minutes for power. I don't know why I keep talking about it. Honestly, it might break down if it breaks below 800. Getting close though. Back to my notes. Don't hold losses too long, losers too long. Be aware of the market direction. Ha! None of that. What else do I have? 2021 dividend stocks. 3M Corporation. Yeah, I did buy that. Bouncing on 805, 803. Come on, yo. Let me get in this one. Let me double up. Oh, got to bounce up. Yeah, it's not giving me that one. Fair enough. I won't chase it. Let's run it back up. Okay, that was a nice one. Bounce right there at 800 though, didn't it? That's crazy. You're not tripping. 817 still going. Pull back. This time, will I get 800? Will I get in? Double up on them? It's possible. I gotta figure out what to eat today. Give me a good old cheeseburger. I don't think I drank enough water today. I'm gonna go get something to drink. If that hits, let me know. Government gonna shut down, yo. Government gonna shut down. Government gonna shut down. Everybody's scared. Like we ain't been here before. This if they buy a dip, this your time to go in, buy the dip. You know what I'm saying? This the time to go in and buy a dip. Man, I didn't get to get in on that 800. close that, cancel that. Where was that at? That was down here. I missed that. What is my order for? 58.50. All right, so we hit 25 again. 825. 825. 33, 34. We got some more up ahead. We pull back again and we get down here to 815, so I'm gonna go back in. I hope we're heading on up. We're not going down. I ain't mad. I ain't complaining. I'm just saying. Not heading down. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, we're pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. 31. I'm gonna get this one for 10. No. Don't do that. Wait for it to come back and then go for it again. Plus, I'm still in this one. This one right here is killing it. I'm at 125, 126. I think I got more up here, 850. There's a lot going on up there, 845. Consolidating a little bit here. We stay above 828, we break below that and come down back to say 820. We go back like that 820, here we go, heading back down. We hit 25. What do you think we'll go to 820? I mean, we held 24 this last time. All right, we're gonna go one ready. I'm 20, 820. Let's see what 820 is. 820. We got 30 minutes before power hour. All right, pulling back, pulling back. Okay, this is it. This is where, okay, we hit 820. Yeah, we're gonna go down some more. A lot of orders down at 17, 15. Let's do 25 and go to 30. 20 and go to 30. I might have missed it again. Dang. Just chill. We're being greedy. tell you what, if we bounce off this 822 and we run up 37, what do we get to? 225 and go to 30, right? Okay, I went in late again. It's like, nope, ran from my order. That's how you stabilize the market. Go in and then it'll run up. Just trying to get 25 to go to 30. Keep bouncing. All right, we're at 30. All right, this should be the pullback. Get us to 25 right quick. We hit 25 and then I'll go back up for 30. I ain't even worked out today at all. And I ain't drinking water. Let's get 825, yo. Get 825 on this pullback. Let's go touch it. Two more, two more. There we go. Now it's going to go down to 20, of course. But it's cool. It's calm. Why? Because still reading my notes. We're going to go to 830 on this. We're going to go 830 and we'll get out. So, sell 830. That's just 5. All right, got that, knocked it out. So now I'm just in this one contract. Trick bitch, I see that. So they got rid of my high one, and now I'm just in the one. Okay, so I'm just in my 825 now. Fair enough. But we already well above. We had 310 for today. We can stop now. Well, we're not. We're gonna say we had 825, so let's go. Like I said, 830. Hit 830 again. Not a problem. Okay, we got one order in. 830. Yeah, we're selling back off now. All right, what do we got here? We got liquidity, leverage, scale. This is come up series strategies. All right, we're pulling back. I don't like that. We got orders at 31. We got liquidity at 35. Now we at 20, right? Of course. Should I get one, go back in, and have two for 20? Go. All right, so we got two orders in now. Just playing with it now. We'll do 30. We'll do 25 and 30. All right, pulling back down. Not good. 25. How about that's at 22, so we need to go to, yeah, we'll do 30. 21 building, 23, 24, 22. Let's see. So we need to get up here to 27 to be 5. We'll do we'll do 25. We're just doing this. This is just we're just in these just to be in these. We're getting out of them though. So we'll do 27 and 25. 27 and 25. We got those two in. We'll get out. 24. Let's go. Let's go. We got a lot of 25. All right, we got 25. There we go. 27. We are done for today. 3:20, and we are done for the day, yo. That's it. Did I climb out of the hole? Did I? If I climbed out of that hole that I got in last week because somebody pissed me off, never go. Never. I ain't gonna say that. That's personal. Let's see. Year to date, I've been trading my ass off today. That's a lot. How many fees I rack up? I'm sure that's gonna cost. I wonder if I can write this stuff off. $34 in fees, $38. So total amount is $53 all day for 53 bucks. I don't know. I don't feel so good about it now. Don't feel so good about it now. Let's see. Yesterday was 358. Yeah, the yesterday in there. For the past week, 90. Yeah. All right. Year to date, let's see where we at on this contract. MAQ March, realized gain 76, 99, 99. So I'm still in the hole. I ain't messing with it no more though. Wait, I still got something going. Oh, I got one to go short at 23,850. 24,850. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. All right, we back in. We said we wasn't gonna go back in, but look where we at. Why? Because that one right there told us so. Well, it looks like it's pushing up. It wasn't up where I needed. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get there. You go. Make a move. Make a move. Do something. Let's go to 850, baby. Let's go to 850. Where we at? 33, 40, 40. We got people at 40. gotta be at 40. Let's go on up here. Pulling back now, heavy. Not cool, but okay. All right, we're at 28, so we're down $2. This should be the bounce. 41, power hour coming in. I think we're gonna close out strong. I think we might make us an all-time high. I don't know about that. Let's go look at our time frame and see real quick. Where's the 4 hour? That would be 2,500. Can we get to 2,500? That would be 200 points in 1 hour. I don't see that happening, but I'm not an expert. The highest that we've done today has been 24,843. That's the high that we got today. That's on this 4 hours. Okay, so here, 24,864. So I got 24,850. So we could break up, get even. That's not the high. But would that put us at green? I think that'll put us at green. All right, let's move here. I'm getting it. 830, pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. So could this be what power hour turns into? Is a pullback instead of a sell-off instead of a rocket decline? Because we got people up here at 840. It's money to be made. Let's go. We got to get to 840. Get to 840. That'll give us I don't know, $20 or so. 24 bucks. 835. All right, here we go. Let's make a move. Let's make a move. There's a lot going on up here. 845. If you get up to the 845, yo, let's go. 836. We need 10 more points. I think it can happen. I feel like it can. I think it can happen. I feel like it can. I'm trying to make money to beat the man. God's with me all the time. I spit rights. No, I spit facts. Y'all spit rhymes. All right, 21. I said there. Oh, that's where I got my mouse at. Okay. Am I in two? No, I'm in one. Okay. Not being greedy. That's good. Just stay focused. Let's see, let's go down. Let's look at the ticks. Ticks are running. Look at that. That's a nice move. 840, 42. Man, we can get 10 more points, yo. This thing playing with me. Why you playing with me, yo? Go ahead and get them ticks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. The OG move that we had today. That'll have us all the way complete. Where we at? 841, 840. Okay, we need some more. Good move right there. Full bag. 'Alright, we're getting a pullback, getting a bounce. This is it. This is what we need. Give up the gas. Can we make it? Can we make it? Can we make it? This is it. Oh, three more, four more, six more points. Waking out very close. Waking out very close to the top. 850 is where I need. 850 is what I need. I'm at 47, 48, 49. Hey, that is it, Daddy. Yeah, yeah. That boy good. That boy good. God is good. All the time. Look at it, full back. We don't even care. We don't even care. Power hour has began. Not yet. Got 15 minutes. But as far as we go, 346 on the day. Feels good. Feels good. I definitely got to get to the big boys. Where we at? All right, that's it. 120 realized. We got 58 bucks and we'll be back green again. You know what? I just gotta get that contract. I just gotta get that thousand out of me. I'm doing the wrong thing and I know it. Doing the wrong thing and I know it. So what I'm gonna do? Hop back in again? No, 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 no. We up here at the top. Let's look at this. Slow down. Go to 15 minutes. See where we at. And up this high. Probably gonna pull back. What was the high on this? 850. So just do a short. Just do a short right quick. See if we hit 850 again. All right. So we hit 850. That means we're going to continue on more than likely, but we're going to ride this back down to 840. Right. Ride this back to 850. Yeah, we'll ride this back to 840. Where's that at? Right here. Alright, so we'll take this back down to 840. And then that'll give us 20. Like 10 minutes before power hour. Slight pullback. Get out right here in the bottom of that. Right there where it's wicked at. See? Alright, we got that. So are we gonna pull back down now or are we gonna climb up again? Let's wait and see. So we could do 40 to 30. Up looks like it's going the other way. Should have rolled it back up. Alright, so that went out at 40. So it is lower high. So there to there to there. 8 minutes before power hour. So we'll take this one down to 30. Like 30. What did I do? 40. So that means I should do 35. Just to be safe. I ain't really trying to give up too much. I mean, we could sell off. Market is green. Well, slightly. What's that? 0.2%? Yeah, we're gonna get out. As soon as this one hits green, we'll get out. That was a lower one. Yeah, it wants to go up. Oh, that was smooth. I reversed the position. So I'm at 846. 55. So we'll go up to 55. Oh, that's 3 licks. 1, 2, 3 touches. 40. 5 minutes before power hour. Pull it back. Look how crazy that is. If I just stayed where I was, I'd have hit at 30. getting some gas this time. We got some volume. 55, people start closing out. I haven't ordered it yet. 855. Let's cancel it. Let's see what this does. I hate that I'm in here up so high though. It could run 855. Let's see what was it again. Yeah, ain't much to go. 960. Run up to 900. Power hour. When everybody starts selling out, closing out, what is the next? Start selling off, closing out. We can get to 880. 4 minutes for a power hour. I'm in a bad position though. I should have not did what I did. I did a reverse, which I didn't know what that would do, but now I know. And that also does it as a market order. But we're running back up. We're almost even, so we shall see what happens. Still just been range bound all day. The entire day we've been right here between, see here to there. Look at that. That's all we did. And still I did like 50 trades, which is crazy. Just giving away money. I probably got to trade less. Probably be smarter than that. Like say if I would have just gone long right here, then let it run. Yeah, I don't know. What is that? That's 55, 755, 70, 100 points, 100 points. $500. Yeah, it just kept it, huh? Just went long and just sat in it all day. That's gonna require some discipline. So I don't have it. Look at that. The one that I closed out early is green now. I closed that joint out. I think I closed it out for a loss too, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so we're running up, but we're not. See what's happening over here. See a lot of activity, but looks like we're going down. Yeah, 3 o'clock power hour. And what are we doing? Looks like we're selling off. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get a bounce. Let's go. To be honest with you, I get green on this. I'm just getting out. 46. I don't see much going on up there at the top from 48. Other than that, yeah, it's starting to wick out too soon. That's not good. We're going down. Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go. $4 down. Let's get green. Let's get green. We'll be out of here. Well, we got to get enough to cover the fees. All right, it's starting to build up there at 50. Get some. Let's go to 50. Let's get that. All right, I see what's happening here. We're getting out in a second. Let's see. This is us right here. Let's go. Let's get this bounce. Let's go to 46. Move. Let's move. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get it. Don't need much. Don't need much. All right, let's go. What are we at? We at 46. 52. Oh, that would have been nice. Let's get this 10. Get out of here. I miscued that one. I got caught staring out the window instead of what I was supposed to be looking at. We got orders building up though up here at 56 and 57. Where do I put this at? All right, got a bounce. Let's go. Let's get a quick one. Get back up here and let's get to 57. We need to get to 57. All right, no, okay. There we go. There we go. Come on. Here we go. Let's go. We got some orders building up. Let's move up. Suddenly closing it out. Run it up. We want to end on a high note for the week, yo. Come on. We almost flushed. We almost finished. Come almost even on the day one. Let's go. Bouncing. Let's go. Go up some more, yo. All right, building up some volume. Let's get up there. Run it up. Close that order out because I want to see. So tomorrow night at midnight, the government will shut down. All that means is that we won't get data or information and stuff. It really don't mean nothing for the market. The market will keep on going. Maybe we'll get a dip. People will buy the dip. When they buy the dip, the market goes up. Maybe we get a dip. These days with these algorithms, you can't tell this. You think you're gonna get a dip and you don't. What should happen doesn't happen. Like they trading on tens, hundreds, making money. You gotta wait for a whole point. Kind of gangster. All right, let's get a bounce on 840, please. I don't know. Looking at this though, this looks like it's gonna like this pull down to 832. Yeah, not a surprise. Pull down to 832 and then come up. 840 is better, but yeah, I needed to run though. I needed to run. Let's get to 850, 855 or something. Got any orders up here at 850? You got some at 855, yo. Let's get to 855. Stop being scared. Let's go. It's money, man. I'm gonna go ahead and put this order in for 855. Where's that? 846. Stop reset. 846. Nah, I'm gonna quit playing. I'm gonna get out at what was 850? 855 is here. That ain't much. That's 16 bucks. That's what we're gonna put it in at. We'll sell there. Alright. Now will it happen? I don't know. Still just range bounds. We're not quite selling off. We're all the way up here at the top. Overall, let's see where we at. Wow. Yeah, we just hanging out right here in the middle. For no reason at all. Right here in the middle, just hanging out. Same place we were pretty much all day. Pull up time. All right, we're back in the red again. Tell you what, if I hit 300 on my P&L for the day, I'm gonna get out, no matter what this is doing. That means I'm cutting this out. So I got 30 more bucks to go. I'll give up on that trade. Yeah, looks like that's getting ready to happen. He's selling off. So he's selling it off. Fair enough. Close that. Yeah, that can right there was nasty. I was like, we making a move back up. Not high enough. Probably get back to 40 or so. Pull ups. Alright, we slightly green. 30 minutes, slight pullback. Alright, let's go. Let's get to 863. 860. Let's get to 860. Let's move. Alright, we shooting for 400 today, baby. Shooting for 400. Get to 863. This is 863. 865. Something. 31. 863. Where we get to 864. We got the 860. We got the 865. Alright. That's the top. Gonna go with that. 865. Alright, we're back on the move again. Is that what we're gonna hit at? Or 866. Let's go 865. Keep it nice and smooth. Let's get this 865. That'll give us 36. 3 more. Hey, got that push. Got that push right at the end. Alright, so that was a little revenge trade. We're down by $23 now. We're trying to get green on this today. So how are we gonna go for that? What are we gonna do? We're gonna go back in again. We're gonna do, what time is it? 28. Let's see. 58. do one more at 50. In fact, let's do 55. 55 for one up. We'll go to 55 for 60. We got to 866 last time. 867. Go to 865. When we can get it, we got some up at 867. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. There you go. This is it. Build it. Two. Up. Nope. All right, that's it. Let's go. 63, 4, 5. Bam. There you go. Let's go. All right, now we're gonna go short and ride that back down right here. But to get the 60. All right, so we hit 67. So now we're riding short back down to 60. Where we at? 66. We'll ride this down to 55. Ride it down to 55. Oh, that's crazy. It's showing off. It's showing off. We got 30 minutes, all right. So we got some up at 80. Ooh, that's nice. Let's do one at 80. Go short at 80. Okay. I mean, we're green now today. Tenth of a percent. All right, we're pulling back. 72. It's at 66. Still leave that short in there. All right, so we got 8 points to go up. Get back to 80 again. We got a lot of there. 80 is filling in. I think we're gonna hit 70 and then come back up. Okay, here we go. 60. Let's see. Breaking even. Touching it, touching it. Wow. This one is definitely light. Need to get out at 60. 66, 88, 66. I should get out now. All right. 866. Reverse. All right, so I reversed that, got out. Now we're gonna go up. What is that? Put me at 73. 73. We'll get out at 80. Ah, you dirty bitch. Better not go down to 60. Nothing more. Look at that patience, man. Went right down to where I wanted. That was tricky. All right, getting the gas. Let's see. So we filling in up here at a lot at 80. Get another push up. Might be good. Consolidate here. Head back up. Touch it again. Or that might just been the touch that we wanted, and that was it. Could be. Either way, we got more than we needed today. All right, looks like we're selling off. Yeah, I went down the hall. Probably a bad mistake. Let's see, where are we at? Well, we're above 350, so we'll hang out and see what we get at the close. All right, that's what we're gonna do with this play here. We're at 24,873. Shoot, look it down here. Yeah, let's see what we got. We got 15 minutes. 15 minutes. See if we close out strong or we close out wrong. Either way, today is Tuesday. It's not Friday, so we'll see how it goes. I'll play overnight, maybe. Do I even have an order? Yeah, 8:49. No, I don't even have an order yet. Do it. 73. I'll do 10 points. 73. No, I'm gonna just go to stadium. Hold up, stop that. See, I'm at 73, which is crazy. Highest we got was 78. Got orders sitting up here at 78. Get the gas, we might make it up past there and get to 80 again. So let's put it right here. Right here is 79, 80. 80 is 54. Yeah, they filling up. Let's get back up here to 80. I'll put that in there. Wait, why did that not go through? Alright, so we got 880 in. We're in at 873. Not good at all. Poor position. That's because I was trying to trade to get this balanced out. And look at it, I think I went down further. Yeah, so not smart. Not smart at all. Alright, slight pullback. Not bad. Bouncing, holding. If we hold above 52, we can make another run up. Pull up time. All right, so it looks like we got our green, came out ahead. What did they hit you? 890. Look at that. Look at you go. Look at you go. I could have got more, but shoulda, woulda, coulda, and we stop it. I don't care what this says right here. 184, $11 down. Should I do one more? Should I do a short? Where are we at? 95, 90, 100, 890. Still don't work. See what happens. Boom. Trying to get even. See if it sells off or if it's going to go back up. 897. It's going to go to 900. Oh, it's wilding out, yo. It's going to 900. I miscalculated it again. It's crazy. That's cool. 900. We touched it. All right, we got 7 minutes left. Look at that run. That's wild right there. That's thin air. That's thin air right there, but it's on it. Did not expect it to do this. This is euphoria melting up, baby. This is on a Tuesday. Actually, this kind of makes sense because if the government going to be shut down, it would stand to reason that it would get up high like it is, and then we have like a what 5% pullback. 5% pullback would be, I don't know, what would a 5% pullback be? Let's see. Just do a bracket right quick. Close for profit. 5%. What would 5% be? 5% would be 26.1. So it'd be down to 2,600. That'd be a 5% pullback. It'd still be up high. And we still would be, what would it be? Did I just do that right? Bracket. 2%. 2% would be 25.3. That would be oh, I'm doing a short. 5%. 5% would be 23,649. So if we got a 5% pullback, that would be down to 23. So let's just say that we get a 1% pullback throughout the week. I'm gonna keep that short on. Let's say if we get a 1% pullback, that takes us to 24,645. Uh-huh. We're gonna keep that short on. We're gonna ride with this overnight, and government will shut down tomorrow, and we'll wake up and see where we at. All right. I mean, that's pretty close to the high. Like right now, we're at 24, 9, 10. Got 4 minutes to go before the close. Look at it, man. It's going crazy. I love it. I love it, yo. I can't believe we're still running like this though. 25,908, we sitting up here. 24,908, we sitting up here almost at 20. Wait, hold on a second. I'm getting excited about something for no reason, if I'm not mistaken. We've been here before. Look at that. That's the high right there. The high was 2,500. Yeah, so we've been here before. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Yeah. So we could have a pullback, and then it would be this. Look, this would be the put it on the 4 hour. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, then this would be like boom, the head and shoulders joint. That's the head. Pull back down, 1%, and then run. This could be all of October. Pull back right here. We could pull back off of here, off of these highs, and then that would take us down and get us to 24,520. Is that what we said earlier? Something like that. Something. What was it? Let's see. We said 5%. 24, 23 would be 5%. 23 would be 5%. So 23 would be 5%. We could get down to where? 23,649. 23,6. That's here. That's completely possible. Yes. So basically, this entire move right here, we wipe this out all the month of October, and then come back. Yeah, that can happen. Oh yeah. And while I'm at it, go ahead and do this. H6. All right, we are here. I'm gonna do a short. We at 25,152. 25,152. Let's see what's going. 25,148. 25,150. Let's do a short right there. Now, go ahead and get right there. Just sell the market. No. Cancel. 25. Oh, looking at the wrong thing. 25,145. So 33.25. Sell the market. All right, I'm in two shorts now. So 25,143. So these are my two government shutdown plays. This is for the next month, for March contract, next year's contract, and this is for now. And we'll just leave them open. See, so this one, if we get a 3% pullback, that'll be 24,374. All right. Let's see what happens with the government, yo. Looks like it's raining money, baby. All right, let's see. Did we get green? Did we get green? In Q, we are. Oh, yay, yay! Yes, yes, yes. We at 17, baby, baby. Yeah, that boy did it. I was down 1,500, and now I'm back even. With in the green, in the green, in the green. It's all balanced out now, man. It's all balanced out. Stock's 5150, man. I'm getting ready to shut. I'm getting ready to get off here. Cause you know what? I did that. Yes, I did. God is good, man. God helped me do it. He really did. He been with me this week for. Oh my God. Whew, boy. This week right here, man. I don't even want to talk bad about nobody, but I'm gonna say something. Not again. Let's just say that. Stock's 5150, yo. K Dub, man.